Mike had a question here, Dad, in
Yeah.
the repairs and maintenance channel.
Yeah.
Already I see shortages in new and used vehicles and fewer dealer loaners available. How badly is the chip shortage impacting repair times where there are electrical issues? Given the complexity and reliance on chip technology for so many systems in newer vehicles, I can't help but feel anxiety that even a minor problem, or God forbid a significant event, could take much longer to source required parts. Had a personal experience a couple of years ago of a very extended repair due to significant electrical problems, ultimately traced to a pinched wiring harness. Wonder how manufacturers deal with specific chip needs for vehicles and service issues, given they are short for new production.
Well, I know those really can be issues.
That's a really fascinating
and,
question.
and I know that oftentimes when they discover issues with vehicles and the manufacturers don't have the ability to produce the parts,
Yeah.
or they don't know when they'll be able to get the parts. I know BMW has been forced to take people out of their old car and put them into new cars.
Really?
Because it was just taking so damn long. So, yeah, those are real issues that can pop up. Yeah.
That's craziness.
Yeah, small potato studios, too damn high studios. I like that.
These could work.
Yeah.
These could definitely work.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a scary thought to think that, you can't even get repairs done because of what's going on right now.
The possibility exists. I mean, don't forget
Yeah.
that as somebody shared with us, there's 1,400 microprocessing chips in the average car that's being built today.
Yeah, it's
So,
truly remarkable.
yes.
It really, really is.
Yes.